Hallie. Please leave a message and I'll get back to you.
At the tone, please record your message. When you are finished recording, hang up or press 1 for more options.
Hey, where are you? I've been calling you all day and you haven't answered. She's gone, Hal. I went to the apartment today and... What the hell?
Hi, this is Hallie. Please leave a message and I'll get back to you.
At the tone, please record your message.
All right,
when
all right.
you are finished recording, hang up or press 1 for more options.
I don't know what that was. Your machine hung up on me. But, Hal, she's gone. Everything's like last time. The writing, the door, everything. I went to the apartment this morning. I need your help. I don't know who she's going for this time, but I know it's going to be bad. I'm going to call again. Maybe this time you'll wake up, you nocturnal bastard. Christ, here we go again. Finally, Hal, I've called you like 15 goddamn times. Alice. Oh God, Alice, where are you? Where's Hallie? Hey, stay where you are. Everything's gonna be fine. I'll find you, and we'll go back home, and we'll figure this out. Just... Alice! Hey, what are you doing? Hallie! Hallie, are you there? Alice! Where's Hallie? Is Hallie there? Alice! Alice!